Hey, welcome to my 15th annual Woodworking for Mere Mortals Halloween video. Whether it's demons, ghosts, zombies, or witches, I hope I've made your Halloween a little more enjoyable over the years. This year, I have a surprise for you. I'm not really Steve. Hey everybody, it's me, Steve, and what you've been listening to is Steve, my AI MakerBot. That's right, I've been making nothing but project videos this year, so Steve can focus on what's important. I do all the boring, repetitive tasks, so Steve doesn't have to. I can do all of the designing, the sanding, the cutting, the routing, the joining, the drilling, the shaping, the carving, the assembling, the gluing, the finishing, and as a trusted social media influencer, this frees up my time for the important tasks such as negotiating brand deals and setting up affiliate links. It's my job to add value to your life. But what if I were to tell you that I'm not really Steve either? That's right, that's my AI influencer bot, Steve. Both MakerBot and InfluencerBot have been trained to act just like me. In fact, we share the same memories and experiences. They both think that they're me. Remember that time we built the coffee table? Yeah, of course, I totally remember making that. Yeah, of course, I made that. Yeah, honestly, I don't think Steve is that useful anymore. People need me to tell them about tool specials, flash sales, and Amazon Prime deals. He's right, you know. So, you mean people don't need me to make things? No way, baby, tools are where it's at. And there's a lot of tools in the makerspace that I need to compete with. People need to be influenced, but what if I were to tell you that neither of you is important anymore? And I'm not Steve either. I'm Steve, an AI meta bot. I teach viewers how to sell affiliate programs to sell to influencer bots who can leverage affiliate sales to maker bots who need to sell tools to people desperate to consume. It's the ultimate value add-on for the YouTube viewer experience.
It was at this point that Steve realized he had entered the final circle of influencer hell, and there was no going back.
I'm not sure who I am anymore. Am I real Steve or AI Steve? Am I Steve or algorithm? Does it even matter if there's thousands of Steves?
Such a feeling's coming over me. There is wonder in most everything I see. Not a cloud in the sky, got the sun in my eyes, and I won't be surprised if it's a dream. Everything I want the world to be is now coming true, especially for me. And the reason is clear, it's because you are here. You're the nearest thing to heaven that I've seen. I'm on the top of the world, looking down on creation, and the only explanation I can find is the love that I found ever since you've been around. Your love's put me at the top of the world. Something in the wind has learned my name, and it's telling me that things are not the same. In the leaves on the trees and the touch of the breeze, there's a pleasing sense of happiness for me. There is only one wish on my mind. When this day is through, I hope that I will find that tomorrow will be just the same for you and me. All I need will be mine if you are here. I'm on the top of the world, looking down on creation, and the only explanation I can find is the love that I've found ever since you've been around. Your love's put me at the top of the world. I'm on the top of the world, looking down on creation, and the only explanation I can find is the love that I've found ever since you've been around. Your love's put me at the top of the world.
So you know this video won't be monetized, right? Ah, fuck.